How to create a Zelle account. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to create a Zelle account. So in order to create a Zelle account, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in that case, you have to go ahead and log in into your Zelle app. So when you open up your Zelle app, then it's going to show you the interface something like this. So right on this page, go ahead and tap on get started. As you click on get started, mark on the terms and condition and move on to the next step. So first of all, you need to type in the phone number that you wish to register with and click on get started. As you click on get started, now mark on the terms and condition by tapping on the box and click on continue. As you do that, here you have to go ahead and enter in the phone number. Here you need to go ahead and link your bank account. So type in the bank account that you wish to link, and on the other field you need to go ahead and log in into your online banking account. And when you log in into your banking account, then it's going to automatically send you a verification code. So you have to enter in the verification code, and that's going to indicate that you've successfully created your Zelle account. So that's how you can create a Zelle account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.